I'll be talking about the script and its components. I'll also be constructing a mind map as I go through each component of the script. First, we have the setting. The setting is where the scenes will take place. It is usually described and written by the playwright, but it can also be described by a narrator. Next, we have the characters. The characters are decided by the playwright, who also writes descriptions and gives features to the characters. The layout of the script is also important. It consists of the scene, dialogue between characters, and instructions. This is an example of the format of a script. As you can see, the scene is written before the dialogue. In the dialogue, a new line is started whenever a character speaks. The instructions are also there, but they are written in brackets with italic font. Next, the story. The story is normally told through dialogue and the plot. Some writers follow a formula called the 3-act structure, which is the beginning, or the introduction, the middle, also called the rising action, and lastly, the end, which is the climax and the ending. There are also plot points which are used to provoke the beginning of a new act. Some writers don't follow a formula, but instead they write plots according to how they perceive life.
Hi, I'm Malini Ramesh who would like to present about drama concept and elements. What is drama? Drama came from a Greek word mean action. It is a mode of performance and also performed on a stage or either in a screen. In early stage, drama includes Aristotle's Poetic and William Shakespeare's. The two masks that in my introduction represent the generic division between comedy and tragedy. There are some similarities between drama and theatre. Initially they are a form of art, depends on performance, does audition for role play, medium to criticize society, audience should buy ticket to watch the act. Both has director, actors, scriptwriter and producer, as well as both also has supporting features, sets, properties, costumes, makeup, sound effects, music and script. There are several differences between drama, theatre and film. Initially, drama and theatre needs a stage whereas a film needs a big screen. Drama theatre is a live performance and requires a limited audience, whereas a film is a recorded performance that requires a lot of audience. And drama theatre is cheap, whereas film is expensive, and the scope for drama and theatre is narrow, whereas the film is wide. Next, stage screen adaptation. Theatre has dialogue whereas films has action. Performances are assembled out of the best shots. Actors' performance is out of their control and films that contains a lot of editing may distort an actor's performance. Type of shots are close, wide and medium shot. There are two types of director, which is realistic and formalistic director. Realistic directors took long shots whereas formalistic directors take convey meaning through editing. And actors have more control over their performances with realistic director, whereas actors have less control over their performances with formalistic directors. There are methods of acting. Firstly, develop more realistic style of acting. Next, performances are more internal, less external. Actors leave their part and lengthy rehearsal periods actors encouraged to improvise in and during their performances. Lastly, subtext is often conveyed non-verbally through body language. It is also an emotional recall. By exploring their own subconscious, actors could trigger real emotion.
Today I'm going to present on basic acting, which is the Desalter system, which is a method of teaching drama and dancing based on the exercises of Alexander Desalter in 1811 to 1871, which is the famous teacher at the Paris Conservatoire. Desalter system is popular in 19th century. It is created by François Desalter. It is also a formal set of gesture, postures and physical attitude. It is used by the American Academy of Dramatic Art and Emerson School of Oratory. Lee Strasberg is the auto studio that was founded in 1947 by Elia Kazan. It is also a master teacher. It is the first major Broadway production to use in 1901 to 1982. Konstantin Stanislavski is a Russian actor. It is also the author of 4 books on acting, and it is also the director and developer in 1863 to 1938. The Stanislavski method consists of trail, body and voice, non-stage techniques, skilled observer of life, analyze the script, emotionally involved with the character, concentrate on the character, continuously work on your eye. Firstly is the trail, body and voice, which is the actor take voice and fencing lesson. Second is body must be able to respond to the demand. Secondly is the stage technique, which is adapting everyday life to the convention of the theatre, such as opening a door, making a turn and firing a gun. Thirdly is the skilled observer of life, which is an actor watch people, and then observation, which is the primary research tool. Play analysis, where the text, which is the line that is written by the playwright. Second is the subtext, which is the meaning behind those lines. Spine is the character major goals, and play analysis consists of motivation verbs and active verbs. Furthermore, emotional involvement include emotional recall, which is the recalling an experience. For example, like you can ask yourself, if I was the character, what would I do? Furthermore is the concentration, whereas an actor must concentrate on the character that he is creating. Actor must ignore everything else that is happening around him. Actor must continuously work on his art. Last but not least, an actor's greatest challenge is to make each performance new and fresh, and then make the audience believe that this is the first time this event was occurred. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Zahira Afrina binti Zahid. Next is basic of acting. Acting is behavior of imitating an action such as humans, animals and plants. Actors take the character created by the playwright and turn themselves into a living human being. There are 2 approaches to acting. First, external, which actor will create character using gesture, posture or body language, while internal, the character grows from within the actor. Actor must know how to imitate human action, plant action, and animal action. Actors must prepare for themselves. They must be ready, know themselves, know the theatre games, practice breathing and voice imitation, and use their body expression. There are 4 important elements in character building, which is physical, mental and emotion, theatre elements, and vocal. Actors must use all their senses and body parts while performing to make the character more alive and realistic.
There are 3 main productions, which are theatrical production, dramatic production, and non-dramatic production. First, for the theatrical production, there are the planning, rehearsal, and presentation of a work. It presented to an audience at a particular time and place by live performers who use either themselves or animative figures such as puppets. The second thing is dramatic production, which conforms to a written text. The another one is non-dramatic production. There's no imitation of another existence, but simply the entertainment or excitation of the audience by the performer. Major roles in theatrical production. First of all, the director. They are the one who are responsible for the main vision of the production and interpret the script and the characters of relationship. The second one is the producer, who funds the production and designates a director. The next thing is the assistant director, who provides support to the director and the specifics of the role would be determined between the two. The last one is the actors. They are the one deliver the script and work with the director to determine relationships with the other characters. The next part is backstage. First of all, stage manager. They are the one responsible for the running of the stage during production and call for the cueing of lights, sounds, sets, props and actors during the show. Secondly, assistant stage manager, who provides assistance to the stage manager. The next thing is running crew, responsible for the placement and removal of sets and props during the scene changes. The last one is production manager. He oversees the development of set, prop costume, makeup, lights and sound under consultation of director. The last one is other crews. First, makeup coordinator develops appropriate makeup for the actors under consultation of director and production manager. The next one is makeup crew, who apply makeup according to the needs of the play as outlined by the makeup coordinator. The next one is house manager, who responsible for the audience side of the curtain, which is arrival, seating and dispersal of audience. Then publicity, who responsible for advertising and promotion of the production. The next one is box office, responsible for the sale of tickets and in coordination with the house manager, the organization of seating. The last one is house staff, who is responsible for the seating of the audience, program dispersal and the general order and cleanliness of the seating area.